Let's learn Frankenstein Twist. It's choreographed by Gail Dawson. It is a 48 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with restarts on walls 4, 7, and 10, all after 32 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where those restarts happen, and then we're going to go around and dance 11 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Frankenstein Twist. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. On the ball of both feet, you're going to rise up and swivel both heels to the right, bumping that right hip slightly forward. You're going to swivel both heels back center, putting your weight onto your left foot, and we're going to hold. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, step our left foot to the side, cross your right over your left, and hold. So let's try that with some counts. Step and swivel. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 2, we're going to repeat that to the left, but we're going to make a quarter turn. So you're going to step your left foot into the left diagonal. You're going to come up on the balls of both feet, swivel both heels to the left, bumping that hip to the left. So then both center, recovering onto your right foot, and you're going to hold. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, step our right foot to the side, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and we're going to hold. So let's try that with some counts. Right is crossed over left. You're doing your step swivel. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 3, we're going to do toe struts forward, right, and left. So we're going to take our right toe, touch it forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to take your left toe, touch it forward, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a back toe strut with our right, touching our right toe back, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. Let's try that with some counts. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to do back toe struts left and right. You're going to take your left toe, touch it back, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. Take your right toe, touch it back, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. We're going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto our right foot, step your left foot next to your right, split weight, and hold. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot. You're doing your back toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 5. Right now our feet are about shoulder width apart. You're going to slightly bend your knees, and we're going to do heel-toe heel swivels to the right and the left. So we're going to take both heels, swivel them to the right, take both toes, swivel them to the right, take both heels, swivel them to the right, and you're going to hold. We're now going to repeat that to the left. You're going to swivel both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, and you're going to hold. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped together. You're doing your swivels. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 6, in our final section of the dance, we're going to end by doing a toe strut jazz box in place. So we're going to cross our right toe over our left, drop our right heel, taking weight onto our right foot. You're now going to touch your left toe back, drop your left heel, putting weight onto your left foot, touch your right toe to the right side, drop your heel, putting weight all the way onto that right foot, and then you're going to do a toe strut slightly forward, taking your left toe, touching it forward, and then dropping your heel. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that part with some counts. Toe strut jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step swivel. Step, swivel, recover, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, step, swivel, recover, hold, behind, side, quarter, hold, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, rock, recover, back toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, rock, back, recover, together, hold, heels, toes, heels, hold, heels, toes, heels, hold, toes, strut, over, back, side, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping that right foot into the diagonal, you're doing your swivels. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the restarts. Our first restart is going to be wall 4. You will be facing 9 o'clock when we do that wall. So you're going to dance the first 32 counts, which is up to your toe strut section. So you'll restart facing 12 o'clock. That will become wall 5. So let's dance that 32 counts. Weight is starting on that left foot. You're doing your swivel, step, swivel, recover, behind, side, cross. Step, swivel, recover, behind, side, quarter, hold, toe strut, rock, recover, back toe strut, back toe strut, back toe strut, rock, recover together. On these restart walls, you want to make sure that you're putting your weight onto your left foot, and then you're going to restart the dance here. Step, swivel, facing 12 o'clock to do wall 5. You'll then dance wall 5 all the way through, wall 6 all the way through. Wall 7 will be our back wall. You will dance the same 32 counts, putting you over to the side wall. Then we'll go back around, dancing wall 8, 9, and 10, and then restart facing the back. All the restarts are going to happen in the same point of the dance, just facing different walls. All of the music is going to sound about the same. It slows down for that full 32 counts, and then you're going to hear the beat part where you're doing your toe struts. That's your cue that you're going to restart shortly after those toe struts. You'll hear it in the music. So now let's go around. We're going to do 11 walls of the dance so that you know where it all happens when we go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight starting on your left foot, you're starting with your step swivel. Step, swivel, recover, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, step, swivel, recover, hold, behind, side, quarter, hold, toe struts, rock, recover, back toe strut, back toe struts, rock, recover, step together, hold, heels, hold, heels, toe strut, jazz box, step and swivel. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step and swivel, recover, behind, side, cross, step, swivel, recover, hold, behind, side, quarter, hold, toe strut, rock, recover, back toe struts back, rock, recover, step together. Now you're doing your heels, toes, hold, heels, toe strut, jazz box. Short wall, 32 counts. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, restart. Step, swivel, recover, weave, behind, side, cross, hold, step, swivel, recover, hold, behind, side, quarter, hold, toe struts, rock, recover, back toe strut, back toe struts, rock, recover, step together, heels, toes, hold, heels, toe strut, jazz box, step and swivel. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Short wall, 32 counts. Step, swivel, recover, weave, behind, side, cross, hold, step, swivel, recover, hold, behind, side, quarter, hold, toe struts, rock, recover, back toe struts, rock, recover, now restart. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step and swivel, recover, hold behind, side, cross, hold, step, swivel, recover, hold behind, side, quarter, hold, toe struts, rock, recover, back toe strut, back toe struts, rock, recover, step together now, heels, toes, hold, heels, toes, strut, jazz box. Last short wall, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, restart, step, swivel, recover, hold behind, side, cross, step, swivel, recover, hold behind, side, quarter, hold, toe struts, rock, recover, back toe strut, back toe struts, rock, recover, step together, heels, toes, hold, heels, toes, strut, jazz box. And that's the whole dance. With all the restarts are going to be easy to tell when it's coming because the music changes for those full 32 counts, so you'll know when it's coming if you listen to the song. I hope this helps you learn Frankenstein Twist, and hope you have a happy spooky season. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.